destination. Well, this is what Accra looks like. And yeah, so we really had a good time. For the few months we've stayed in Accra, we really had our best moments. Actually, I'll miss jelly water. I really miss jelly water and the meat. Yeah, because in Kenya I think I really have to go to Mombasa to get that, but in Accra it's just all over, and actually where we were staying it was yeah. So as you can see, we are making our way almost there at the airport.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, that's where we did the COVID test last year. But as you can see, guys, the airport of Ghana is looking nice. I just want to show this to you. So when you come into Ghana, you can have a view of Accra. But most people don't know about Africa. I feel like, when I used to do call center work in Jamaica, a lot of international people, mostly from America, used to say, if people live in a tree in Africa, a lot of stuff are in Jamaica. So these are some of the things they actually talk about Africa. So that's a plain restaurant family. So I really experienced a plain restaurant. And so many, the food was so great. I can attest to that. So if you come to Ghana, you have to get a chance to enjoy the food, nice local food. You can check out the plain restaurant for sure. There will be some nice local food for you. I really enjoy the acheke, and they have some nice fish. So it's very nice. And as you can see, we're in the airport now. In the waiting area, and in Ghana. And as you can see, family, there's Kente. A lot of Ghana stuff is there. So just come with us. White one. Ask him a price. Anyone? Just ask. How much is it? Clap. Yeah? Yeah, family. So we're actually at the airport in Ghana. What's the name of the airport again? Toka. Yes. So we're on our way back to Kenya. We want you guys to fly with us from Ghana to Kenya. Next will be from where?
Well, right now we are living
from Kenya to where?
And then Addis to Kenya.
And then from Kenya
to Montego Bay.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Kenya to Montego Bay in Jamaica.
Okay, family. So we arrived, and the flight is leave home very early. We're going very early. So
we're on time.
we have to get something to eat. So at the airport, you have a lot of restaurants. So we're just picking and choosing where to eat. But I think maybe that middle one is better. What they have down there? Let me see what they have. Oh, so nothing is down that side? All the way down? Let's go down and see. We're gonna go and see what they have at that side.
I can't wait for my trip to Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Just the longest I've ever.
Yes, nothing is there, so you just see. Yeah.
Just waiting.
So family, let's go and let's eat. Let's eat in that restaurant right there. You can pull our belt. What about the one outside here? I think this one has a lot of AC, it's very cold. The other one up there is kind of outside. So, yeah, fam. Amish, why you crying, boy? Why you crying? A googie boy. So, family, we are at the airport. We're actually waiting for the flight. Amish is crying at the moment.
Can't wait to get in the plane. Go back to East Africa. or no, he's missing Ghana, right?
Yeah,
He's missing Ghana.
You're missing Ghana, Amish? You don't want to go back?
No, to go back.
You don't want to go back? You don't want to go home, boy?
We'll come back to Ghana again. But first Jamaica, right?
Yes.
First we go to Jamaica.
Right, Amish, boy?
I guess we want some feeding to be done.
Ethiopian Airlines. Catch their plane. Nice in the court. Ethiopian Airlines.
A glimpse of them.
Glimpse.
Of the green. They look so nice.
Or red stickers. Purple or red stickers.
Ah, it's a good thing we get up then because we are green stickers.
2 दिन भी नहीं आ रहे 2 दिन पहुंचने
No.
नहीं 2 दिन में कह रहे हैं पहुंचने लगे हैं आज और कल मैं आ गया 10 दिन में हाँ कॉन्फ्रेंस है क्या 2 दिन नहीं वो इतने वो डैडी का प्रॉपर्टी था वो मैटर नहीं करता फिर वो सीरीज लगाना है हाँ वो यहाँ बेटर आ गया बेटर मिल जाएगा ये जो ना तो प्रेशर पे क्यों आई जब मेरा एक कॉन्फ्रेंस थी फंक्शन का
So many people waiting.
काम करते हैं पूरे सारे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड तो लोग आए थे
This plane is so big. All the people coming.
वेलकम सेक्शन हुई ओके 17 और 18 21 25 मिनट तक हुआ है अच्छा पूरा नहीं बना
Yeah, family, so we're excited to get a nice seat in the plane. It's just right behind business class. You know, it's a comfortable seat. Because of the space and the baby and everything. And it's so nice. It's a 3-seater plane, so you know,
Better to sit.
so it's very nice. We're gonna enjoy this flight going to Jarastafari country. Let's go.